one of those songs from the 50s that we still know today. Came out in 1958, I believe, and it's still a song that we know today. And there's some interesting things about this song. One, back then, everything was so different than what it is now. This song kind of caused some controversy just because a lot of people thought the whole lollipop meaning was a different meaning. They thought it had a double-edged sword where it sounds innocent, but it's really about something else. And it caused a lot of people to not really take to the song right away. But obviously it became that catchy song that we all know. And another interesting thing is that pop noise, the actual pop noise, is not sound effects. It's them actually putting their finger in their mouth, kind of like that thing. That's how they recorded that sound. They didn't use soundtracks. They didn't use some sort of machine to make the sound. They actually made that themselves, and it became a sound that stood true through so many decades of time, because we still know that sound today. Like, that pop sound and this song has stood the test of time for decades and decades, and I think it's neat that the Chordettes, this group of girls, were able to create such a timeless classic.